Hey everyone, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to check into places if you wanted to leave a comment, a review, or make some update to the place details using the iOverlander app. I'm going to launch the app and the app will open up on the Explore screen. Now, if you don't see any places, you need to download them first. The link to that video is below. First, what I'm going to do is make sure that I am logged in. I'm going to tap on the hamburger menu in the top left. I'm going to look all the way to the bottom and see my login status. And then I'm going to tap on the screen again to go back to the Explore screen. Now to check into a place, you're going to simply tap on the pin and then open up the place details page by tapping on the bar at the bottom. This is the main place details page. And if you want more information on that, you can also see that video below. To check in, I'm going to tap on this blue button in the middle that says check in. The first screen you see is where you can leave your comment or review or add information about the place that you feel is relevant to other travelers. You can update the date as needed, and you can also add images. To add a photo, you can simply tap on the icon and then select where those images are coming from. You can select multiple images, and then you can say done when you have them selected. Now, if you happen to upload the wrong or too many images, you can simply tap on the thumbnail and then tap on the three dots on the top right to remove the image. Once you're satisfied, you can tap on Next. The following screen is the main place description screen. Here you can update or add any information that you find relevant for other travelers. Things like seasonal closures or prices, height restrictions, anything like that is really helpful here. Tap on Next when you are happy with the description. This takes you to the confirmation screen where you can verify that all the information is correct. If the place happened to be closed and you need to mark it as closed, you can simply tap on the button next to the words "This place is." You can then tap on Permanently Closed, and that will flag it for the moderation team to take the appropriate action. If you need to update any of the amenities, you can simply tap on the button next to the amenity and select the appropriate amenity. Once you're satisfied with everything, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Next. Now, it takes about 2 weeks for your changes to appear on other devices. That's because it has to be downloaded to the other devices when the database regenerates. We need to tap on OK. Now, what happens if you made a mistake or you need to delete your check-in? Well, you can do that through your history screen. To get there, tap on the hamburger menu, then tap on My Stuff, and then tap on History. If you don't see the place that you just checked into, simply tap and scroll down, and your latest check-ins will load. And then you can simply tap on the three dots next to the place name, and then you can either edit your check-in or delete your check-in. In my case, I'm going to delete my check-in, and I'm going to confirm my deletion. You'll see a little note on there that says this is not synced. That's just because this will sync when your app syncs again. And if you want to check that, you can simply tap on Sync, and you can force it to sync by tapping Sync My Data. So that is how you check into a place using the iOverlander app to update any of the information that is on the place. Let us know what you think in the comments below or send us an email to support@ioverlander.com. Thank you for watching.